We have been staying at the South Padre Island KOA holiday for the past 4 days, and I finally feel like I am ready to review it for you. Nestled in an ideal location on South Padre Island, Texas, this KOA holiday is a gem. It is truly the perfect jumping off point for your South Padre adventures. They have an array of sites, including tent sites, back-in porch style, pull-through patios, as well as cabins and condos. The office is open from 9 to 5 daily and is situated right next to the condos. The swimming pool is to the right of the office, and to the left of the office is this really nice deck area for happy hours and a great playground for the kids. Laundry facilities are clean and efficient. There are 5 washers and 10 dryers available for use. It costs $2 to wash and $1.75 to dry. We did 2 loads of laundry and had no issues. In the same facility is Pier 19, which is a great restaurant, and it's open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We had a meal with them around 3 p.m. today, and we loved it. We tried the mixed fish ceviche, and it was delicious. Looks like they had some pretty amazing alcoholic beverages as well, but being that I am preggers, I was not able to have any liquor. Also at Pier 19 are dolphin watching tours, deep sea and bay fishing tours, and a boat ramp that has a $5 fee. The Wi-Fi connection here at South Padre KOA was pretty good, with download speeds of 60.3 megabits per second and upload speeds of 5.23 megabits per second. We had no trouble streaming YouTube and Netflix with their Wi-Fi. Be sure to book early. We use the KOA app, but you can also call or use a computer. Summertime bookings are going to be easier to get than winter bookings. I couldn't find any campsites available in February or March 2022 for the chunk of time that we were looking for, and I started planning this trip in July of 2021. So that tells me that I need to start planning this trip probably within 9 months to a year of when I want to take the trip, especially if it's in that desirable time of a winter when it's not super hot down here. As far as cost, we paid $300 for 4 nights at the South Padre Island KOA. It's a little pricey, but the location definitely makes it worth it. We loved this KOA. The location was perfect. We had access to the beach, restaurants, shopping, and all the activities you could ever dream of. Our campsite had good hookups, and we loved the patio, even though we were not able to utilize it that much because it was so hot down here. All in all, we highly recommend the South Padre Island KOA holiday, and we will definitely be staying here again pretty soon, but I think next time we're gonna make it in the winter months. If you found value in this video, be sure to give it a like, and if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so that you'll be notified anytime we release a new video. And we'll see you next time. All right, bye.